Hi, so today I'm going to so Michelle Adams, what you're considering a Joe. It was really fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to add your glue. So I'm just going to add my glue. I already added my glue, as you can see. So I just add a bit more. Okay, and this is how it turns out. Like I just added a bit more detail to mine. And we're just going to add glue. I just added a lot. And we're gonna mix the glue up, and then open the glue. And you want to use a lot of this, but you want to start off with a lot of it. And it's really gel, and I recommend you using the gel just because it works out. And as you can see, instantly if you add a lot, you can see that it starts coming together really well. I added a lot more right there. So as you can see, you want to mix it for a while. Then after you add it like a lot, and you start seeing it like if you were just add like a tiny bit of activator, that's how it will see. Actually you added a lot. You just want to mix it for a while. So I'm gonna mix it fast, not for a while, because I do not want to waste your time. So standing here wasting your time while you can be watching another slime video. And make sure you use gel. Well, I don't know if you can use other ones, because I only own one, which is this one. You need a lot, like a lot, and you actually are getting some sun here. I'm gonna add a whole squirt more. Hi, Daddy. Daddy, look. Mix it well.
la puerta tú?
Porque estaba en el...
¿Qué le estás dando por hacer?
No más esto, sí.